Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Teresa, and in this video I am going to talk about nails, which if you've seen any of my videos before, you're probably thinking, what? Yeah, I don't have nice long nails like many of you think. In fact, I've even had a couple people post some kind of snarky negative comments about my nails, which whatever, that's not what prompted this video. But what did was somebody had commented on my nail color in one of my videos. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to talk about this because I actually, at my ripe old age of 53, have decided that I kind of like my short nails and shorter nails. And part of it is just out of necessity because I don't know if there's any of you like me out there, but I don't have nice nails. I have a very flat nail bed. And I have very weak nails. They've gotten a little bit better over the years, but they can be very flimsy and tear easily, and they don't grow out. And if they do grow out, if I do grow them out, some of them are like a weird shape and it's not a good look. And so I have learned that a shorter nail actually looks better on me. And I actually really like a shorter nail with like a nude polish like I have now. I'm going to talk about this color particularly in just a minute. So this is nothing against people. I know it's very trendy and on point to have, nails done, long nails, artificial nails, like all the things. And I think they look great on a lot of people. I just don't think I'm one of them particularly. That's not to say I haven't used artificial nails. In fact, I will show you one of the types that I have used that when I have researched for my type of nail, like a flat nail bed, which one is supposed to work well. But I am, as I've gotten more into art as I've gotten older, and I'm just, I'm a mom. I clean my house, do my dishes. I do so many things with my hands. It's not an excuse. I feel better with my own nails, and I actually think they look okay. I'm fine with it. So I just wanted to share with you a couple, like a nail color that I found recently. I'm wearing one now that I really, really like. And that it's okay to embrace your shorter natural nail. And I don't even think you need to have nail polish on for to look pulled together and everything else. So let's talk about what I use and things. First thing I want to show you that I do if I am not wearing any nail polish, or even if I do, because I actually enjoy painting my nails. I guess that's the other piece, because I enjoy painting, I enjoy art. I kind of like switching out nail polish, and I don't mind, switching it out often because I kind of have to. The one benefit to having shorter nails, I find, is that sometimes the nail polish will last a little bit longer. I think it's less prone to chipping. But the other thing I think helps is, for me, is putting very thin coats on. And the other big tip for me is to let them dry pretty completely between coats. I think that helps a lot. That takes a lot of time. So one tip I do is if I'm working on the computer for extended period of time where I know I'm not going to get up because I'm like the world's most impatient person ever, is I will paint here in my workspace, paint a coat, and work on my computer, do things where I know I'm not going to be getting up. Because inevitably, if I try to do that while I'm working around, if I'm just, I'll go sit down and paint my nails. No, I get the itch to, I'll just carefully put the laundry in the dryer or whatever, and then I smudge it. So for me, the safest thing to do is to do it when I'm going to be working on the laptop or working, jump on a call or something where I have to stay put and it allows it to dry. That's sounds silly, but it's been a game changer for me. Even in between, even when I do have nail polish on or when I don't, I've used this vitamin E oil. This one is by Hansen, but I just put it all over my nails and cuticles and rub it in. And I just think it keeps them looking healthy and moisturized and good. And I think if you do that and keep your nails filed, that's the best you can do. It keeps them looking pretty good. I mentioned artificial nails. I've heard where this brand, this Kiss Everlasting, the French, in particular, the French manicure one, the Flex Fit, is supposed to be good for flat nail beds. I've used these and I actually get the real short length because I do too much with my hands. I don't know how people honestly do stuff with their long nails. That drives me crazy. Maybe it's an age thing. I don't know. I mean, I'm not judging. I can't function with those long nails. I don't particularly enjoy the clacking noise and all of that. So, but I have used these every once in a while when I want to look good, but I just don't think my hands lend themselves to long fingernails. Because like I said, if I were to naturally grow my nails out long, they don't look good. They're weird shape, they're flat nail bed, they curve down. It's like, I look like witch's hands. I don't know. So if I do want that as a special occasion, I might use these. The only thing, and this has been my experience with going to a nail salon, like for gel nails, dip, artificial. I don't think I've ever had artificial nails at a nail salon, but even with this, they damage my nail bed. I mean, my own nail bed. And I'm pretty like I said, my nails are pretty like flimsy anyway, like delicate. I don't know what the right word is. So I'm trying to treat them with a little more kindly. And I feel like it takes me a long time to recover like the health of my nail bed after I use something like this. So I do not use these that often because I find that they're a little too damaging for the tops of my nails. Let's move on to my current favorite nail color. And that is this color I'm wearing now, which is like a plummy purple color, you can see. And I first found this color, believe it or not, another Sally Hansen product, which is in their Insta Dry series. It's called Hurry Plum number 433. And it's just a nice light nude pastel-y plum color, nice for springtime, which it is now. Somebody commented that they liked the nail color in one of my videos. Well, then I actually found a gel product that I can try. And this one is interesting to me just because of how it comes off, which is odd enough to say, but that's a game changer for me because like I said, I have gone to the salon, had gel nails done, and then go back to the salon to get them off, and they can't get it off. I don't know if it's something to do with my nail beds or what, and I just feel like it's so damaging to my natural nails, so I'm hesitant. So I found this product by this Nail Reserve, and I have a few different colors, but the thing that got my attention was this particular shade called Bear With Me, because it is very similar to this one. If you look at the caps, look at that. Okay, so actually this is gel. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is gel polish, okay? So as most gel polish, it comes with the base coat that you put on. It comes with the little LED light. All right, it's actually, you can plug it into your laptop or whatever, which is handy because I said if you're doing your nails while you're working at the computer, it's good, you could sit there and put it under, right? And then you put the color on, cure it, and then there is a top coat. But here's the deal breaker for me. They have this thing called the remover. So you brush this on. I'm gonna do it now. And then you let it sit, even it says. And then you let it sit, and then you can use the file or a nail remover and remove it, okay? So I'm gonna brush this on. And while we talk, I'm just gonna let it sit here. And just talk to you about this. So this is what really caught my attention because they have this color. So you can see this like nude plum color. And gel does last. This one delivers that nice, shiny, smooth coat that gel is known for, I guess. But again, if you're like me and you struggle getting it off, this might be the one for you. So my only complaint on the product is that the little LED lamp is kind of small. So I feel like it takes, you got to kind of angle your hand a couple different ways to get it in there. And my other tip, if you try this product, is that you might want to cure it extra long, because you know, this is probably not as high powered as a salon lamp. So that was my experience. Is it took a little bit longer, like a few times under the lamp to really get it to cure. So, but if you shake this well and get the thin coats on, cure it, and then it delivers that nice, shiny, smooth top coat, okay? But again, getting it off can be the issue for some people. And so like having this, I mean, sure, you can soak it too in acetone, but again, that's so drying, that can be so drying. So this is going to be helpful, I think, because it'll allow you to, you may be able to peel it off. We're going to find out. So, but I have a couple of different colors from them. And this one is called Be My Baby. It is a light pink. And then I got this one called Immortal, which is a peach, kind of like the color of my shirt. And this one is that, not that, it's called Sea, Swing, and Sun. And it's like a, I don't know what you call this, like a taupey nude color. I really like that color too. So if you've been looking for a gel polish and you're interested, they actually were kind enough to send me a discount code where you can get 50%, 50, off your order. So I will link their website and put that code in the description box here if you want to give it a try. So let me see now if I can peel off. Oh, it's going to come off. It is coming off. This is so satisfying too. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look. Okay. Look at that. I got it off in one motion. I feel like I'm doing something inappropriate, but I'm not. But there is a little bit of like dryness on my finger, but I am telling you that is from the last time I had press-on nails on, because my nails were still recovering and rehabbing from that. So what I will do once, now I'm kind of committed to taking this off, is I will put a round of like the oil on like for a day or two and really rub it in, and that will moisturize the nails and help them kind of get back to their strength and just keep them nice and hydrated. So that's my short video on nails. It started with me really liking this color and somebody commenting, and then somebody else commenting something not so nice about my nails. And you know what? These are the nails that God gave me. And, you know, I've just learned to embrace them, and I like them short, and I found colors that I like that I think make them look as good as they can. I mean, I try. And so, you know, if you happen to have nails like me, you know, you might find these products. You can either look for this one if you like that color, the Sally Hansen, I'll list that one, or give this Nail Reserve a try, because you can get 50% off. And the products I listed, like all of these, this little set, I think is their starter set. So you can use your 50% off code if you want to give it a try. Just remember, give it a couple of extra pass-throughs with the UV light. And of course, don't skimp on the, where is it, the thing I just used? The remover, which is kind of a game changer in my mind. Okay, well, again, thank you for watching this video. Haven't done a nail video before. This would be as out of sorts as a hair video would be for me, because I don't think these are my best features, but thank you for watching. And please feel free to check out my other videos. I do beauty, health, shopping, sales, I don't know, just kind of my life. But I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.